Think deep learning is only for scientists and tech geeks? Think again. You might be surprised to learn that deep learning is already a part of your daily life, seamlessly integrated into the technology you use every day. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the time you go to bed, deep learning is working behind to make your life easier. You're using it every single day, without even realizing it. Let's dive in. Imagine starting your day by asking your smartphone about the weather or setting a reminder. Ever talk to Siri or Google Assistant? These voice-activated assistants are powered by deep learning algorithms that understand and process your speech, providing you with accurate responses and performing tasks on your behalf. And these handy tools are more than just simple voice recognition systems. They are sophisticated deep learning models that have been trained on vast amounts of data to understand natural language, recognize different accents, and even learn from your interactions to improve over time. That's deep learning in action. Voice recognition technology learns from millions of conversations to understand your accent, speech pattern, and even predict what you're going to ask next. It's not just about understanding words, it's about comprehending context and intent, making these assistants incredibly useful in our daily lives. This continuous learning process allows these systems to become more accurate and personalized, enhancing your user experience. Ever wondered why Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube know exactly what you like? These platforms use deep learning algorithms to analyze your interactions, what you watch, like, and share, to recommend content that keeps you hooked. Your smartphone's Face ID, that's deep learning. These algorithms are designed to learn from your behavior and preferences, ensuring that the content you see is tailored specifically to you. Yep, that's deep learning. This technology uses complex neural networks to recognize and verify your identity, providing a secure and convenient way to unlock your device. It maps your facial features and adapts over time, even if you grow a beard or wear glasses. The system continuously learns and updates its model to ensure it can accurately recognize you under different conditions, making it both reliable and adaptive. Ever noticed Google predicting your search, or Gmail suggesting the perfect reply? These features are powered by deep learning models that process billions of searches and emails to make your digital life faster and smarter. By analyzing patterns and understanding context, these systems can provide you with relevant suggestions and responses, saving you time and effort. These models are trained on vast datasets, allowing them to understand and predict your needs with remarkable accuracy. This technology is constantly evolving, learning from new data to improve its performance and provide you with even better results. You check out a product on Amazon and suddenly it's everywhere? Deep learning tracks your preferences and shows you the perfect recommendations. Creepy, but useful. These algorithms analyze your browsing history, purchase behavior, and even your social media activity to deliver personalized ads that are more likely to catch your interest. Stuck in traffic? Apps like Google Maps use deep learning to analyze live data from millions of devices, helping you find the fastest route in real time. By processing vast amounts of data from various sources, these systems can predict traffic patterns, suggest alternative routes, and even estimate your arrival time with impressive accuracy. So, whether it's your phone, social media, or even your morning commute, deep learning is working behind the scenes to make life smoother and smarter. Crazy, right? This technology is constantly learning and adapting, making it an integral part of our modern lives. From entertainment to productivity, deep learning enhances our experiences in countless ways. Want more AI and tech insights? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about the latest advancements in AI and technology, and you'll never miss out on our informative and engaging videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll bringing you more fascinating insights into the world of deep learning and technology.